Hey guys, quick update on this phone. So it looks like we're not going to be running Ubuntu Touch on here. And the reason for that is that we cannot on OEM unlock this thing. So you need to be able to OEM unlock it in order to unlock the bootloader. So and we need to do that to install first to downgrade Android to version 9 and then to install Ubuntu Touch. So yes, so basically you would use ADB to unlock the bootloader. You would connect this with ADB, you'd have to put into developer mode and all that, enable USB debugging. We've done that, but we have it in developer mode, but we can't unlock the bootloader. The command to do that won't work because this phone is OEM locked. Basically, we cannot write to the bootloader. So if you go into settings here and you scroll down to system, click on system, go to developer options right here. So we have enabled developer options, and you scroll down to here, OEM locking. So this is grayed out. We need to be able to switch this and enable it. We just need this the switch to be flipped, and we can't do that. It's grayed out, and I haven't found a workaround for this. And apparently, basically everything I've checked online, everybody is saying that there's no way to do it. So most of these phones, you're supposed to be able to. Most of the Google Pixel 3a XLs and the 3as, you're supposed to be able to unlock this unless they come from Verizon. There's a Verizon version of the phone that does not let you unlock the bootloader because they don't want you to be able to unlock it and put your own software on there. So unfortunately, you can't. Looks like this is a Verizon version. One thing that some people were talking about is that supposedly some of the Verizon versions of the phone were mixed up at the factory with some of the regular versions that were being sold as unlocked by Google. So yes, some people were expecting them to be OEM unlocked or OEM unlockable, and they were not. So yeah, that's I don't know which this is. I'm not sure if this was a Verizon phone or, well, it's all but certainly a Verizon phone, but I'm not sure if this one was swapped or originally Verizon or what the deal was because I bought this off of eBay. So any case, I can't switch this, and I'm kind of considering picking up another one of these phones and being very careful to make sure it is OEM unlocked. You need to be able to do that. Some people report, see, it says connect to the internet or contact your carrier. Now, some people report after connecting to the internet and then rebooting the phone, this is ungrayed out and you're able to click on this and enable it. So yeah, that hasn't worked out for me yet. So looks like I'm kind of stuck. So yeah, I'm going to be using this phone as is for now. Looks like I'm going to be I'm going to probably pick up another phone, probably the same model, and just make sure it's OEM unlocked and try to install Ubuntu Touch on that. But for now, it looks like this phone is just going to be an Android testing phone. I used to run Android a while back. Right now I'm using an iPhone. I'm actually recording this video with my iPhone, interestingly enough, but I'm probably going to stick with my iPhone for my normal phone. It's also it's like way newer and way, you know, it's a higher end phone, but I also kind of just want to stick with Apple for my main phone right now. But I kind of did want an Android phone just to play around with. If I did know I was going to keep this as an Android phone just to test and stuff, I probably would have bought a newer one. I think they're up to like the Pixel 7 now. But any case, this turns out to be a nice toy to play with for now. So I guess this is going to be my Android testing phone. Maybe I'll get back into some Android development. Maybe I'll show you how to do some other things with Android, ADB, Android Studio, a lot of neat things to play around with. But I guess that's what this phone is going to be for now. And yeah, hopefully I'll pick up another phone that we can install Ubuntu Touch on. So any case, that's what's going on with this phone. That is unfortunate, but that, I guess that's how it goes. It's kind of unfortunate that Verizon causes things like this to even happen in the first place. Is just a thing that just should not exist, and this shouldn't be an issue in the first place, but it is, and it's the kind of thing we have to deal with. Any case, I've connected to the network. I have actually connected to my Google account with this now. I'm connected to my Wi-Fi, so so long as I'm home, I have a network connection. Otherwise, I could tether off of my other phone. But I'm probably just gonna keep this at home for testing. So I did upgrade. This came with Android 11, and I was aiming to downgrade it to Android 9, and I was kind of all set to do that. I downloaded the image and everything, and I was about ready to go. Just that one thing tripped me up. So anyways, I decided to upgrade to Android 12. So that's what you see here with these neat looking widgets. And I think these, I know this is a simple thing, but these things look great. I love how they look. I switched to the dark theme. It looks great. I've been using an iPhone for so long. It's kind of neat to play around with Android again, and just to see the updated version of Android. So I kind of like the interface on this a little bit better than Android 11. You know, you scroll up from here, you see, you know, all your stuff that's running, right? So standard Android stuff, right? But you can swipe in the middle, and you have all your apps and stuff. Before with Android 11, I was swiping up from here, and I was getting the task switcher and all my apps in one split screen thing. That was a little bit weird to deal with, but yeah, anyways, getting used to Android. It feels different. I know this is an older phone, and it's a mid-range phone, so it's not exactly, you know, the most high-end phone, but still it's pretty neat to play with, and it's working pretty well so far for everything I've done with it. I have not installed all the apps and stuff that I'm going to use on it, but yeah, we'll see what other stuff we can do with it. I'm trying to think of if there's anything else that I should probably cover or look at with this. Yeah, I changed the theme to dark. It looks a whole lot better that way, I think. And yeah, I've been using this, like if I'm charging my iPhone or my iPhone's doing something else with it, I'll you know, browse Reddit with this or whatever else if I'm waiting for something to you know, waiting for something to load or something like that, or if I'm stuck waiting for something. It's a spare phone, so there's that. But yeah, this is going to be a test system for development and stuff, so that's going to be fun. And yeah, I think that's about all I'd really want to cover with this today. So that's really about it. Stay tuned for those future videos coming up. You know, give me a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, hit the bell icon, and yeah, leave a comment down below if you know something I don't know. Yeah, if you know how to fix that problem, definitely leave a comment down below. If you know how to OEM unlock this thing, yeah, definitely do that, because nothing that I've looked at on any of the forums have yeah, nothing has turned up. You know, you would think there would be some kind of like exploit or something to get it to work, but as far as I know, there isn't any, or nothing that I found. A lot of people have been complaining on like Google forums, XDA, and all these other places, and yeah, a lot of people complaining about the problem, but no solution. Anyways, so yeah, that's it. Hopefully someone finds this useful or interesting, and you know, as always, thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys on that next video.